think today's Easter, so happy Easter, bunnies. First order of the day, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $8, going just under 3 miles.
Hi, order whenever you're ready. Alright, here's that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, we're also doing earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and the next order is going to be a voodoo donut going 6.5 miles. Thank you. You too. So this is literally 2 donuts. There is no way there's a tip on this. This place straight up smells like armpits. And it turns out there was a tip on that one. Total ended up being $10. And we got the next order right away. This is McDonald's. I believe it said I was going 4 miles.
Here you go for Leslie?
Yeah.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Huh?
So why did they give me their actual coordinates? Total for that order was $8. Finally got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee going 3 miles.
Okay, awesome. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $5 and change. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is going 6 miles. How many times are doors going to be locked on me today? Because that is number 3.
Are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. Total for that order was $7. We've got Peachtree Restaurant. This one is going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $13. This one's probably going to be a bad order, but I got it as soon as I pulled up to the restaurant, so I guess we're taking it. This is Del Taco going 1.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day, okay?
You too. Total for that one was $7, and we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 3.5 miles. There you are. Both scared each other there. Total for that order was $8 and change, and we're going back to McDonald's. This one is going 2.5 miles.
$2.53.
Can I just get the name?
Matthew.
Matthew, perfect. Yep, have a good day. And that's gonna be the first no tip of the day. Total for that was $3 and change. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $11 going 4 miles, 3 items. Just pulled up and they're giving me an add-on. This is $5 going an extra mile, 3 items. Yeah.
62 right here. One of them. They're both of the hand tied.
These two?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. And then the other one is tulips. You have tulips?
Tulips.
I'm gonna go grab a cart. I'll be back.
Okay.
Yep. Yellow or pink?
Okay. 2 seconds. Yellow's on top. That's with the big pink.
Thank you.
The rest of the order's soggy. The tulips are fine. They haven't been cut yet.
Gotcha.
They just got here. But these come wet packed.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you. So I don't know if I actually got it because the app is being weird, but they try to give me another add-on for alcohol. It's like $10 for 1 or 2 items. I didn't really see it because they were talking to me. Oh, actually, it might be the one on the left. Sorry.
one?
The other side. I think it's that one, yeah.
I think it's. Oh, wow. There's no.
Huh. All right, last one is the alcohol drop off. And the note from the customer says, focus on the gauze and band-aids. What does that mean? What does that mean? Finally got the next order. This is a Jack in the Box going about 4 miles.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna get.
Total for that order was $7, and we're gonna call it here 'cause I am starving. Current time is 10:11. Current total, we are at 88, and we're waiting on 3 Uber tips. I have no clue what the final total is going to be because those 3 were the shopping orders, and honestly that whole thing was a blur, so I'll just put up a total whenever I get it. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.